Immerse.
Aux Morts, a charming small town on the southwest coast of Newfoundland, is located about 16 kilometers, or 10 miles, east of the Marine Atlantic Ferry Terminal in Port aux Basques along Route 470. Aux Morts has a rich Atlantic heritage. It was first settled as a fishing port on nearby islands, and families later moved to the mainland. The town's first school, which also served as a chapel, is now the Walters House Museum. The local orange lodge and fishery products plant have also been important parts of the community's history. Aux Morts offers wonderful walking trails. Harvey Trail. Named after George Harvey and his family, who were famous for their brave rescues of stranded sailors in the early 1800s. This trail offers breathtaking views of the harbor and the town. Boat Cove Trail. This trail is named after Boat Cove Pond, where residents used to get their drinking water. It also provides scenic vistas of the area,